What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Whew. Still gotta catch my breath. Alright, that's better. Yeah, welcome to the next episode. I know that I told you guys that I was going to start shooting some videos with some actual workouts that you can do at home. So we're gonna get into that in just a minute. But before we get into that, I just want to say a shout out to my sister. Congratulations. She just had her first baby boy delivered today, Cameron. So today I'm officially an uncle. So again, congratulations, Laura. I'm really happy for you. As I said earlier in this video, we are gonna get into those workouts, and not just at home workouts, and not just with equipment, or I'm sorry, without equipment, but we're actually gonna be doing it with like household items that you could pick up at the store or that you should already have in your house. So we're gonna get to that in just a hot minute, but before we get into that, it's time for the first meal of the day. Damn, that is good. All right, guys, I am not gonna lie. That was not the first meal of the day. It was supposed to be, but when I got back, I quickly realized I had no bananas and there was just no way to make the protein pancakes. Anyways, I did say to you guys that I was gonna get a couple more exercises in for you, that I was gonna actually record some stuff that you can do at home without equipment, some with equipment, but not the type of equipment you have to invest into, stuff that you already have lying around the house. I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, there's a lot of different exercises that you can do. And you'll notice that when I was doing some of the curls, I grabbed 2 water bottles or 2 water gallon jugs instead of 1 to give it just a little bit more of a challenge. And that's interchangeable on all of those exercises. So you really don't need at-home weights. You don't have to buy the fancy stuff. Until the gyms open up again, you can work with the household items and just grab some random shit from the store, and it will work. Anyways, that's all I got for today's video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. Hit those notification bells, and I will see you on the next video.